homemade jams, Belgian fruit syrup, fromage blanc. It's like halfway between cream cheese and yogurt. Sirop de Sibérie. Oh, I see. Merci Bernard.
De rien.
Pour héberger moi. Vous êtes très, tu es très gentil, excuse-moi.
Pas grave.
Nous allons où maintenant?
À Gimouille.
À Gimouille. Pas de Marseille.
Après, nous allons à Marseille, mais pas le Marseille du Sud. Marseille avec un S au bout.
L'autre Marseille.
Ouais.
Le petit Marseille.
Yeah, le slow. Very short.
Very small. Okay. On y va. Bonjour. There's a US flag. What's that doing there?
In the First World War, they built an hospital over there
Oh, okay.
for soldiers.
Uh-huh. Bonjour. It's in a very poor state with a sheet metal roof falling away. Guess that's an artist impression. And this is what we've got now. Oh yeah. That's the Allier.
The end of the Allier.
Going into the Loire.
The Loire is the end.
Tour. Nantes is at the coast.
Yes. To Atlantic Sea.
Orléans.
The wind.
Sans café de tout. Et voilà.
Merci. It's gone. I miss him. We've been hanging out together for 2 full days. He hosted me yesterday during some proper window rattling storm. So it's been 2 days we've hung out. Now I'm all by myself again. Bonjour.
Geçirdiğini oldu.
Hello. You bastards! I even heard it. What was it? Was it you? It's flat as a pancake, so I should be able to find it. I've marked everything up here so you can see that my major suspect lines up with the puncture. This is a hole that's existed for a while, and I did go over some glass a few kilometres back. Doesn't help, of course, that my pump is on the way out. So I've been pumping this for about 10 minutes already. So we're nearly there. Bonjour. Sun's pretty low, but I found a nice spot. Bernard doesn't drink, so I have leftover lunch wine. Is it alright that I kept it in a metal cup? Let's see. And then somebody said that all I eat in my tent is bread and cheese. So today I've added some ham for diversity. Cheers to my first night back in the tent in a bit, and it's a lovely spot. Cheers.